Who is it? I told you that you should come at 4, but come in. What is going on, guys? My name is Nikias, also known as the Lemon Boy, and welcome to my smart apartment tour. I don't know if you know, but I've actually moved from my family's house and I'm currently, living by myself with some 2 other roommates in a different city. In this video, I want to show you my desk setup, my YouTube studio, my living room, which is something that's just awesome. It's just my dream come true, what I have over here, and all the smart home accessories that I have in my house, because I know that's something that you guys are interested. Let's start. Whenever you come in the door, you guys see this hashtag be happy, because life is good. And this Mickey Mouse clock that my grandma actually got me. She actually, had this all of her life, and it was her Christmas present. It actually works. I'm a big Disney fan, as you guys know. So this is the living room, and it's just awesome. Okay, as you guys can see, I've got a PS4 over here, an Apple TV, a projector, and some Super Mario cereal, which I like to have this. And my favorite thing about this, my dream has always been to have like a cinema setup in my house. And look at this, it's a projector, which is just, I'm super happy about this. And as you guys can see, look at this. I've got a puff over here so I can just chill. I can play my video games over here. And I've got a HomePod with this weird tripod that I found online. I'll link it down in the description down below. But the best thing about this is that whenever I'm watching a show or a movie or a game, this is just blasting me in my head, because it's not the most professional audio setup, but it works really well. And so yeah, that's the media room, my living room. And then there's this couch, which is, this was here when I first came here, so I don't really want to change it. I've got a candle, which is actually a MAC candle. I've showed this before in the channel, but it actually smells like an Apple product, which doesn't really smell like it. I've got this coconut thing. I just sprayed because I like my house to smell like coconuts. This is the kitchen, not the most beautiful thing in the world, but this is where I eat with some candles. Candles are always great, and my Christmas tree. Check this out. Are you ready? Siri, turn off the Christmas tree. And boom, and there you go. It's actually HomeKit enabled. It's with just a smart plug from Eve, which is pretty awesome. I've got a bunch of HomeKit accessories. As I said, my fish tank, for example, I can just tap that, and it actually turns off and turn on, which is awesome. I've got a plant over here. Over here, I've got some vinyls. My best friend actually got me this, so thank you so much. You know who you are. I've got Michael Jackson and Rosalia. And then these lights are actually smart lights as well, so I can just, with this, I can just change the color. So whenever I'm watching movies, I always turn it blue, which is, super awesome. All right, let's move over to my room. Here's the bathroom over here. I don't really think I should show you this. And here's an Apple sticker. This is the Apple room. It's very small. You guys think that, YouTubers are millionaires. This is, don't get, okay? I'm happy with this. It's super small, but it is what it is. And I'm happy. This is me and baby Yoda. This is where we sleep. Me and my baby. Over here, I've got a couple things that I can show you. SpongeBob, Luke Skywalker pop, Frozen pop, Mandalorian pop with baby Yoda. This smart light, which is actually HomeKit enabled as well. This Logitech charger, which charges my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my AirPods. This is the one that I use. And over here, I've got my Apple Watch band collection. I've got a couple of sport bands, Milanese loop, sport loops, sport band, the vegan loop, which is links in the description, and this braided loop. I've got my Apple Pencil and some other stuff. And this is actually an album that Chenya made me. And there's all of our memories, which is awesome. And let's not forget about these 2 guys, my baby Yoda plush and my Forky plush. These are my all-time favorites. Anyways, all right, let's go up. You actually go up to the YouTube studio. Honestly, this is my favorite part of the house. Actually, I think my cinema setup is my favorite, but if we go up, welcome everybody. Welcome to my YouTube studio and my desk setup.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, so where do I even start? We've got a couple windows, so there's a bunch of daylight coming in. My 2 roommates study here and over there. So that's where they study. And over here, I've got, some stuff, my iMac, which I'm currently, this is actually sold. I have to ship that. Some art books, my Disney art books. Got Apple water bottle. And then here is my YouTube studio. This is where, you know, you guys see me all the time, which is, I love this. I love this so much. Let's go ahead and go over here really quickly. All right, so over here, I've got a couple geeky stuff. I've got a Captain Marvel hot toy, which is just so realistic. It's honestly crazy. Some Iron Man and this tiny little Ant-Man. Does it focus? Yeah, super, super small. So this is the Incredibles pops. And then this is a Nikias Molina pop. Pretty awesome. And with Apple the dog. I absolutely love this Funko Pop. This is actually a custom Funko Pop, and this is another Nikias Molina pop, which is pretty cool. Should I sell this? Would any of you actually buy a Funko Pop of Nikias Molina? Probably not. This is my entire Funko Pop collection. I usually do Disney Pops, especially. Got a bunch of them over here, a bunch of them over here. I love this Frozen and Remy one. My YouTube silver play button. Absolutely love this. This Woody with Forky Funko Pop. And a bunch of Star Wars and Marvel ones and some other special ones. Over here is where I do my audio for YouTube. So this connects over to this, and then so I can just, you know, put my headphones on and see if the audio is good. And when it's good, I put on my camera in this tripod over here, and then I just start. I've got a couple lights. I've got this Amazon one, which is super cheap. I totally recommend it. I'll try to link it down below. It was like 50 bucks. And then this is a more professional land light, which is epic. It's so, so good. Definitely super expensive. They sent it out to me, so thank you so much, Landlight, for doing that. And then this is my desk setup. The desk setup is actually super simple. It consists of an Ahee lamp, which, you know, I can just do like that, super simple. This plant, I've got a HomePod mini with this wood thing, which is awesome. Another plant, I've got Frozen mug. And then my iPad Pro 12.9 inch with this fake leather mat from Satechi, I think. This Logitech mouse, the Pebble. And then over here, I've got these NAND lights as well. They are these LED tubes, which are awesome. You can actually change the color of this. So you guys have probably seen them in the background of my videos, but you guys can change the color, which is super, super cool. Definitely super expensive, but definitely very worth it if you're a content creator or anything like that. The desk is a Jarvis desk, so it actually goes down and it actually goes up. Here's an exclusive look for those of you who stayed at the end of the video. Merch. Merch is coming in the channel very, very soon, probably within this month or next month. Apple the dog. I've got a couple other designs, but super excited to actually release this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is where my other, you know, this is a desk setup where my other person is here. And then over here, we've got an outdoor patio, which is just, you know, whenever I'm stressed with YouTube, I just go out here and just simply breathe a little bit. That's where I live now. This is where I live. It's kind of weird living by yourself, you know, without your mom or your parents, you know, doing everything for you. I'm doing everything. So, you know, I love this. I wanted to be independent this year. I wanted to clean my dishes. I wanted to clean the house. I wanted to, you know, be my own self. Not that I love my family, I love my mom and I actually miss her so much, but I wanted to do this, I wanted to change. I'm officially full-time on YouTube, so I just wanted, you know, I want to be an adult. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.